That's when I heard a voice whisper my name. It was faint, almost inaudible, but I could hear it. I knew then that I had to get out of there. I managed to run out of the house, but I couldn't shake the feeling that I was being followed. I could hear footsteps behind me, but every time I turned around, there was no one there. The next morning, I woke up feeling relieved that the strange sounds had stopped. A week later, the sounds started again. But this time, they weren't coming from the attic. They were coming from under my own bed.